Cough by covering your mouth. Good job. Look at that. You do it again. Good job. Did you see that? Austin coughed covering his mouth.
A dog. A dog.
Yeah. Wait, show. Do it one more time. Good job.